If you've ever researched James Hardie siding, you may have heard a common myth. Isn't fiber cement siding too heavy for my home? Some people worry that its weight could compromise their foundation or make installation extremely difficult. But this really isn't true. In this video, we're gonna bust that myth and explain why James Hardie siding is perfectly safe for any home, and why it's the only siding we trust at Southwest Exteriors. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. We specialize exclusively in James Hardie siding because we believe it's the best siding product on the market. If you're considering a siding replacement and you've heard concerns about fiber cement siding being too heavy, we're here to set the record straight. Let's break this down with real facts and expert insight. Is James Hardie siding actually heavy? Let's start with some real numbers. James Hardie fiber cement siding weighs about 2.3 pounds per square foot. Now compare that to other siding materials. Vinyl siding, 0.5 to 0.75 pounds per square foot. Yes, it's lighter, but a lot less durable. Brick siding, 6 to 8 pounds per square foot, more than 3 times heavier than fiber cement. Stucco up to 10 pounds per square foot, more than 4 times heavier than fiber cement. Natural stone veneer, 15 plus pounds per square foot. That's over 6 times heavier. So when people say James Hardie siding is too heavy, what they're really saying is it's heavier than vinyl. But weight alone isn't a bad thing. It actually makes the siding stronger, more durable, and more impact resistant than lighter materials. So why do some people still believe that James Hardie siding is too heavy for their home? It mostly comes down to misconceptions and lack of clear information. Since vinyl siding is extremely lightweight and a very popular, most common siding, it's easy to assume that anything heavier must be a problem. But siding weight alone doesn't determine if a home can support it. What matters is whether the home's structure is built to handle the load. Some homeowners worry that installing a heavier material could stress their home's framing or foundation. But the truth is, homes are engineered to support far heavier materials than James Hardie siding. If your home can handle a brick or stucco exterior, it can absolutely handle fiber cement siding. This myth persists simply because people aren't always given the right information. The reality? James Hardie siding is completely safe, structurally sound, and designed for long-term durability. When installed properly, it's an upgrade, not a risk. One of the biggest differences between lightweight materials like vinyl siding and durable materials like James Hardie siding is the way they perform over time. Vinyl siding is lightweight, but that comes at a cost. It expands and contracts significantly with temperature changes, leading to warping and cracking. James Hardie siding is heavier, but that's because it's built to last. It's resistant to wind, impact, and fire, and won't warp, crack, or melt like vinyl. So yes, James Hardie siding is heavier than vinyl, but it's also stronger, more durable, and designed to protect your home for decades. We've installed James Hardie siding on thousands of homes here in Texas, from single-story ranch homes to large 2-story houses. And guess what? Not once has weight ever been a concern. And really, if weight were a real problem with James Hardie siding, we wouldn't see it used in millions of homes across the United States, including hurricane-prone areas where strength and durability matter most. So now that we've busted this myth, let me ask you, what's more important, a lightweight material that won't last, or a premium siding that protects your home for decades? If you want to make the best decision for your home, we've got the perfect resource for you. We put together the ultimate guide to James Hardie siding, where we break down everything you need to know, from costs, benefits, durability, and expert insights, all in one easy-to-read guide. Click the link in the description below or linked up above to download it for free. And if you're ready to take that next step, we'd love to talk. Schedule a free, no-pressure consultation with our team today so we can help you find the perfect siding solution for your home. That link is also down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more expert insights on James Hardie siding and home exteriors. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.